Good evening. My name is Kiran Agmore, and today's topic is non-access modifiers in Java. Firstly, we discuss what is modifiers. Modifiers is used to define a scope or a visibility of a particular class, method, or a variable. Using modifiers, we can define the visibility of that class or a methods to it is visible to another class or another method or not. That is use of modifiers. And in Java, two types of modifiers. First is access modifiers, and second is not non-access modifier. Then access modifiers is public, private, and default, protected. This is access modifiers. So and declare second one is a non-access modifiers. What is non-access modifier? It non-access modifier is used to declare the uh, define a ca- characteristics of a class, method, or a variable. There are seven type of non-access modifiers in Java. First one is static. Second is static, final, abstract, then transient, native, then volatile, and synchronize. There are seven keywords non-access modifiers in Java. So firstly we discuss about final. Uh, final final keyword, final access modifiers is using final access modifiers we can declare the final class, final method, or final variable. Using final, we cannot we can if we declare the final class, then we cannot extend that class into another class. If we declare the final method, then we cannot override or overload that method. And if we declare the final variable, we cannot change the or modify the value of that variable. That is value is final. For example, if final class A, and if you declare another class B, and if you extend that class final uh, B, class B extends A, that will provide the error because final class cannot be extended. Final method. In a final method, if you try to override or overload that method, suppose final void add, you cannot overload that method. If you try, this is provide the error. And final variable, if you declare final int a is equal to 10, then you cannot modify that value. Second is static. Static is a keyword. In a static, if you declare the static method or uh, static variable, then if you need to access that static method or static variable in an instance of class, you do not need to create the object of that class. Static is directly accessible because and static is used to the save the memory, because we not need to uh, create the object of that class to access the static variable. Then next is the synchronize. Synchronize synchronize is used to the in a thread. If you declare the synchronize, then the thread run synchronously one by one. And next is abstract. Abstract keyword in abstract modifier. Abstract modifier, we can declare the class abstract and method also abstract. If you and in an abstract class, you cannot create the object of abstract class. And in abstract method we cannot provide the body of that method. Abstract methods abstract methods cannot declare with the final static, final or static, because because we cannot we can need to override the method. If you declare final, then it cannot be overridden. Thank you.